tutorial on how you go about getting your dog to wear a muzzle. Here I've got Kira and Sadie. That dog there would never in a million years need to wear a muzzle. She's so balanced, her temperament's good, but we're going to get her to wear a muzzle. She's never had one on in her life, so let's do the start of the training and let's get her wearing a muzzle. Zeus used to have to wear one of these in certain moments of his life. Didn't like it. When you first get them out, they're quite rigid. Will not be very comfortable for your dog to start with. You can put them in hot water to soften them, or you can just manipulate them just to get that shape back. Wearing these, they just look so much more aggressive and people make assumptions, but in this day and age, it's what you gotta do. So bit by bit, we've got Kira here. Just gonna offer her up to this with her treats. So, Kira, good girl, good girl. And it's not a race. Good girl, ain't you, Kira? Kira can see herself in the camera. So she's putting her nose into the muzzle, and then we reward. Okay? It's really, really important so you don't rush this bit, because this has to be a good thing. Kira? A little bit longer that time. Good girl. Yeah. And now, nose is in, nose is out. Reward. Yeah. Kira. Nose is in. Longer time. Good girl. Feed her the treats and remove. Okay. Kira. Kira. Come. Yeah. She's not fighting now to put the muzzle over her nose. The muzzle can go over her nose and come off. Okay. Good girl. Now Sadie's decided, oh, I'll have a bit of that. I'll put your nose in. There you go. You get a treat if you put your nose in. Kira? It's early morning. Kira? Good girl. Good girl. See? On. Off. The collar to Kira of the muzzle. She's got it just hanging around her neck. Not really bothered by it. But what we are going to do now, Kira, come. Good girl. Hold. Kira. Good girl. And you do that repetitively. 5 minutes, 3 times a day. Ridiculous. And she goes for every treat training so quickly. But she's not fighting now for just 5 minutes. Kira is wearing the muzzle. We're just showing her. This is all good. I really do feel for people that are having to do this. But she's a good girl. And she's after the treats. I've put in the muzzle. Slightly big for her. But you get the idea, guys. And there she is. In a muzzle. Calm as you like. And then all you do is release. Yeah. Remove. I do really feel for everybody that's got to do this. You just reward. It has to be a good thing. This thing has to be a good thing. They can't see it coming and panic. They can't keep trying to get it off their faces. It has to be done repetitively. It may take 1 set of training. It may take 3-4 days of training. It will all depend on the temperament of your dog. once you've got it, it's a simple thing that this goes on when you grab the lead. Okay,